Hi guys, today I want to show you this mini portable vacuum cleaner that XREXS sent me. To see what I think about it, let's open it up. And little extension, a flexible tube. Interesting. Oh, I know what I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna clean my computer with that for sure. Possibly something else. How does it work? We'll have a little USB cable and we'll have a little brush. Wait a second, there's also an adapter for that USB cable to charge it. It's portable, so I believe it's charging, right? Yeah. Is it a little bit charged at least? Oh yeah, it is. Nice. It's already charged. Let's take a look. I want to open it. Oh, it's just a cap. This is just a cap for storage, so it looks nice and neat. Interesting. This is the actual intake. And this side is exhaust. You can feel the air blowing through it. It's pretty strong. It's pretty strong, I'm impressed. You can also unlock it and you can see there's a little filter and the actual motor is inside. Let's put it back in, unlock it. It feels good in your hand, I'll tell you that. How do you put it in? Just insert. Oh, straight down like this. Oh, okay. Okay, a little bit on angle. So it goes in on the angle and then straight in. Very nice. Oh, this could be slided backwards. So you can use this without the brush. Let's try it on my computer. This is my baby and it really needs a vacuum to take care of it. Let's see if XREXS is up for the task. Holy moly! It does the work, look! XREXS. Nice. This is a nice little vacuum by XREXS and I recommend this product, guys. Buy it on Amazon.